Hello students, good morning. Jai Swaminarayan. All of you, welcome to class 3 in Atmiya Green School. My name is Prajakta and I am your maths teacher. Now we will start lesson number 5, multiplication. So student, before starting our today's topic, first we will see what we had learned our last classes. So all of you know very well what we had learned our last classes. So now look at here what we had learned our last classes. First, you have learned the table. So which table you had learned? You had learned the table from 2 to 10. 2 से लेकर 10 तक का हमने टेबल पढ़ा था. I hope all of you nicely learned table. Okay. Then after we had learned the property of multiplication. So which is property of multiplication? First property of multiplication, when we multiply two number. When we multiply two number, the order in which we multiply them does not matter, the product remains the same. When we are taking the any two numbers, then after we will change the order of the number. What you change? We are changing the order of number. So after changing the order of number, we will get answer is the same. Now look at here. 6 into 4 equal to 24 and 4 into 6 equal to 24. Now look at here. Here the changing of the order of the number means look at here 6 into 4 and 4 into 6 means look at in the first example, first is writing the 6, then after writing 4, and in this example first writing 4 and then after writing 6, then also we will get answer is the same. So this is property number 1. Then property number 2, the product of number and 1 is the number itself number. When we are multiply 1 in any number, which number? 1 in any number, we will get answer is the itself number. For example, look at here, 6 multiplied by 1 equal to 6, 7 multiplied by 1 equal to 7, 5 multiplied by 1 equal to 5, 4 multiplied by 1 equal to 4. So every example getting the itself number when we are multiply the one number. Then property number 3, product of a number and 0 is a 0. When we are multiply 0 in any number, which number? When we are multiply 0 in any number, we will get answer is the 0. Now look at here, 5 into 0 equal to 0, 89 into 0 equal to 0, 7 into 0 equal to 0, 0 into 1 equal to 0. So when we are multiply in any number, when we are multiply 0 in any number, we will get answer is the 0. So this is property number 3. Now look at here property number 4. When you multiply 3 number, when we multiply 3 number, you can group them in any order. You can group in any order. The product is remain the same. The product remain the same. Now look at here one example. Here taking 3 number, which 3 number? 2, 3, 4. First is making the group of 2 and 3 and 4 is writing outside, so we'll get 64 answer. Then we are making the group of 2 and 4 and 3 is the writing outside, so we'll get answer 24. Then after we are making the group of 3 and 4 and 2 is writing outside, so that time also we will get answer 24. Now look at here, we are making the group of 4 and 3 and 2 is writing outside, then also we will get answer 24. So this is property number 4. When we are taking the 3 numbers, any 3 numbers, then after we will make the group of 2 number, 1 writing outside, so every time we will get answer is the same. So this is property. Then after we had learned the multiplication without regrouping, then multiplication with regrouping, then after 2 digit multiply 1 digit regrouping, then 3 digit multiply 1 digit with regrouping ones, 3 digit multiply 1 digit with regrouping twins. Then after we had learned the multiply by 10, 20, 30 up to 90. So student, this thing all of you nicely very well. Then also I will explain. Look at here, when we are multiply which number from 2 to 90. So look at here, from 10 to 90. From 10 to 19, how many zero? In the 10 to 90, in every number have a 1 0. How many zero? 1 0 in the right side. So when we are multiply 10, 20, 30, 40, 60, 70, 80, up to 90. So first we will multiply whatever the number means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, whichever number, and then after we will put the 1 0 in the right side. So this is the multiply when 10, 20, 30, 90. To multiply a number 10, 20, 30 up to 90 and multiply the number 1, 2, 3 up to 9 and put a 0 at the right side of the product. First one example is, look at here, 6 into 30. 6 into 30, first we will multiply 6 into 3, 6 into 3, 18, and look at here in the 30, how many 0? 1 0, so we'll put 1 0. So how much getting answer? 180. This is the when we are multiply 10 to 90. Then when we are multiply 100, 200 up to 900. So look at here in the 100, 200 up to 900, how many 0? 2 0. So when we are multiply from 100 to 900, first we will multiply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to 9 and put the 2 0 at the right side. For example, look at here, 14 into 300. In the 300, how many 0? 2 0. First we will multiply 14 into 3. 14 into 3 equal to 42. And now in the 300 have a 2 0. So we'll put 2 0. So how much getting answer? 4200. This is the when we are multiply 100 to 900. Then like that same is the when we are multiply from 1000 to 9000. So 1000, 2000, 3000 up to 9000, how many 0 in this? There have a 3 0 in each. So when we are multiply 1000, 2000, 3000 up to 9000, first we will multiply whichever the number and then we will put the 3 0. So 5, look at here one example, 8 into 1000. Now in the 1000 have a 3 0, and according to multiplication property of multiplication, when we are multiply 1 in any number, we will get itself number. So 8 into 1 we will get 8, and 1000 have a 3 0, so we will put 3 0. So how much getting answer? 8000. Now look at here, 8 into 3000. Now first we will multiply 8 into 3. 8 into 3, 24, and 3000 have a 3 0, so we will put 3 0. So how much getting answer? 24,000. So this is our multiplication by 1000, 2000, 3000 up to 9000. Then after we had learned the story sums. Then after we had learned the distribution property of multiplication over the addition. So in this topic what we had learned? Now look at here one example. Here have a sum dotted. So how many row? Here have a 3 row and each row have a 9 dot. How many dots? 9 dots. So 3 into 9. 3 into 9. Why we are doing 3 into 9? Because there have a 3 row and each row have a 9 dots. So 3 into 9 equal to 27. Now look at here, that row is divided into the 2 groups. How many groups? 2 groups. So now we want to how many dots in the whole groups. So for that we will do first how many row? Both side have a 3 row, and first row have a 4 dots and second row have a 5 dots. Okay, so look at here, 3 into 4. 3 into 4 plus 3 into 5, because here have a 3 row and every row have a 4 dots. So 3 into 4, and now here also 3 row, and how many dots in each row? 5 dots in the each row. So 3 into 4 equal to 12, plus now we want a how many dots in whole that square. Sorry, not square, rectangle. Okay, so 3 into 4 equal to 12, and this is the 5. So 3 into 5 equal to 15. Now we want how many dots in rectangle. So 12 plus 15 equal to 27. So how many dotted here? 27. Now look at here. What here? How many row? 3 row. So first row have a 2 dots in each row, and second group have a 7 dots in each row. So 3 into 2 equal to 7. Now we will taking the addition sign. Then 3 into 7 equal to 21. So 6 plus 21 equal to 27. Then here also same 3 row. First row have a 3 dots and second row have a 6 dots. 3 into 3 9 plus 3 into 6 equal to 18. So 3 into 3 9 and 3 into 6 18. 9 plus 18 equal to 27. So all of look at here, every example answer is getting the same, but we are the distributing the dots. So this is called distributing property of multiplication over the addition. Okay, then after we had learned the 2-digit multiplication, and then we had learned the yesterday multiplication of 3-digit number with 2-digit number. So that exercise 5.9 question number A we had done, and from question number B work out this in your exercise book. Question number 1 we had done. Okay, so now we will start question number 2. But before starting question number 2, first we will see again one time question number 1. So what is the question number 1? 249 multiply 29. 249 multiply 29. So look at here. 249 multiply by 29. So 9 into 9 81. So 1 is writing here and 8 is the carry. 9 into 4 36. 36 plus 8 44. So 4 is writing here and 4 is the carry. 9 into 2 18. 18 plus 2 22. Now that 2 is the place of 10, so we'll put 0 in the 1 place. 2 into 9 18. So 8 is writing here and 1 is the carry. 2 into 4 8. 8 plus 1 9. 2 into 2 4. So now we will do addition. 1 plus 0 1. 4 plus 8 12. So 2 is writing here, 1 is the carry. 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 9 12. So 2 is writing here and 1 is the carry. 1 plus 2 3 and 3 plus 4 7. So how much getting answer? 7221. This is the example number 1. Now look at here example number 2. So what is the example number 2? 317 multiply by 25. 317 multiply by 25. Okay, now look at here. 5 into 7. 5 into 7 35. So 5 is writing here and 3 is the carry. 5 into 1 5. 5 plus 3 8. Now 5 into 3 15. So how much getting? 1585. Now we will put 0 in the 1 place because that 2 is the place of 10. So 2 into 7 14. So 4 is writing here and 1 is the carry. 2 into 1 2. 2 plus 1 3 and 2 into 3 6. So now we will do addition. 5 plus 0 5. 8 plus 4 12. So 2 is writing here and 1 is the carry. 1 plus 5 6. 6 plus 3 9 and 1 plus 6 7. So how much getting answer? 7925. 7925. So this is example number 2. Now look at here example number 3. What is the example number 3? 438 multiply by 22. 438 multiply by 22. So now we will start our multiplication. 2 into 8, 16. So 6 is writing here. 1 is the carry. Then 2 into 3. 2 into 3, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 2 into 4, 8. Now look at here. 2 is the place of 10. So we'll put 0 in the 1 place. 2 into 8, 16. So 6 is writing. 1 is the carry. 2 into 3, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. And 2 into 4, 8. Now we'll do addition. Okay. So now 6 plus 0, 6. 7 plus 6, 13. So 3 is writing. 1 is the carry. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 7, 16. So 6 writing and 1 is the carry. And 1 plus 8, 9. So how much getting answer? 9636. How much getting answer? 9636. So this is example number 3. Now look at example number 4. What is the example number 4? 515 multiplied by 19. 515 multiplied by 19. 9 into 5, 45. So 5 is writing here and 4 is the carry. 9 into 1, 9. 9 plus 4, 13. So 3 is the writing here and 1 is the carry. 9 into 5, 45. 45 plus 1, 46. So how much getting answer? 4635. Now we will put 0 in the 1 place because that 1 is the place of tens. 1 into 5, 5. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 5, 5. So now we'll start addition. 5 plus 0, 5. 3 plus 5, 8. 6 plus 1, 7. And 4 plus 5, 9. So how much getting answer? 9785. 9785. This is example number 4. Now look at example number 5. 602 multiply 16. 602 multiply by 16. So now look at here. 6 into 2, 12. So 2 is writing here and 1 is the carry. 6 into 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 6 into 6, 36. So we'll write here 6. Now that 1 is the place of 10. So we'll put 0 on the 1 place. 1 into 2, 2. 1 into 0, 0. And 1 into 6, 6. Now we will do addition. 2 plus 0, 2. 1 plus 2, 3. 6 plus 0, 6. And 3 plus 6, 9. So how much getting answer? 9632. 9632 we will get answer. Now example number 6. So what is the example number 6? 714 multiplied by 14. 714 multiplied by 14. So now look at here. 4 into 4, 16. So 6 is writing here. 1 is the carry. 4 into 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5. Now 4 into 7. 4 into 7, 28. So we are writing 28. Now we will put 0 in the 1 place because 1 is the place of tens. 1 into 4, 4. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 7, 7. Now we will do addition. 6 plus 0, 6. 5 plus 4, 9. 8 plus 1, 9. And 2 plus 7, 9. So how much getting answer? 9996. 9996 we are getting the answer. Now example number 7. What is the example number 7? 632 multiplied by 15. 32 multiplied by 15. So now we will start multiplication. 5 into 2, 10. So 0 writing, 1 is the carry. 5 into 3, 15. 15 plus 1, 16. 6 is writing here and 1 is the carry. 5 into 6. 5 into 6, 30. 30 plus 1, 31. So now how much getting answer? 3160. Now we will put 0 in the one place because 1 is the place of tens. 2 into 1 into 2, 2. 1 into 3, 3. And 1 into 6, 6. Now we will do addition. 0 plus 0, 0. 6 plus 2, 8. 1 plus 3, 4. 3 plus 6, 9. So how much getting answer? 9480. How much getting answer? Now 9480. So this is example number 7. Now look at here example number 8. Example number 8 is the 226 multiplied by 30. 226 multiplied by 30. Now 0 into 6, 0. 0 into 2, 0. 0 into 2, 0. Okay. Then now we will put 0 in the one place because 3 is the place of tens. Now 3 into 6. 3 into 6, 18. So 8 is writing here and 1 is the carry. 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 3 into 2, 6. So now we will do addition. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 8, 8. 0 plus 7, 7. And is the 6. How much getting answer? 6780. Okay. So we are solving this like that method, but our the multiplication, that rule, when we are multiply 10, 20, 30, 40 up to 90. So first we will multiply whichever the number and we will put 10 in the right side. So इसको हम ऐसे भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. 226 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 30 है तो इसको हम 226 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 कर सकते हैं. नाउ 3 into 6, 18. So 8 is writing here and 1 is the carry. 2 into 3, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. And 3 into 2, 6. So how much getting? 678. Now in the 30. In the 30, how many 0? 1 0. So we will put 1 0. So how much getting answer? 6780 we will get answer. Because in the according to that our rule multiplication of that when we are multiply 10, 20, 30, 40 up to 90. So first we will multiply 1, 2, 3 up to 9 and then after we will put 1 0 in the right side. 1 0 in the right side. So this is we will solve like that method also. Okay. So this is our exercise 5.9 multiply. So I hope all of you nicely understood our exercise 5.9 multiply. That exercise 5.10 story sum we will be see in our next period. Okay. Then after we will be see in we will see tables. So I hope all of you nicely understood. Thank you and have a nice day.